Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all winter diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in just 30 days very easily. Now recently my lots of clients asked for winter diet plan because winter's around the corner and the chilliness in the air has started coming up. Hence this diet plan can definitely help you achieve such transformations as my clients did. For weight loss, for disease management, for personalized and customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, and we'll be starting your weight loss transformation journey with me and begin the transformation happening. So without any delay, let's get started with winter diet plan for weight loss to help you lose 10 kgs in 30 days this season. Now let's start with the early morning drink. Early morning drink has to be something which is diuretic in water, detoxifying and great for weight loss. So now my clients love having this drink for winter season, which is basically simple and very easy to prepare ajwain jeera water. All I've done here is in approximately 1.5 cups of water, I add both 1 teaspoon of ajwain and 1 teaspoon of jeera to it. Good to go to boil for 2 to 3 minutes and have it empty stomach. Now this works amazingly well for postpartum weight loss, for entire weight loss, for disease management of any kind, thyroid, PCOD, PCOS and diabetes as well. So do try out this recipe for your early morning drink. And now let's proceed towards our second option for early morning drink. If you cannot have this, then you can simply have lemon water with added pinch of black pepper powder and pinch of cinnamon powder. Now this basically helps detoxify your body as well, to help you with your gut cleanse as well, and majorly to help you suppress your appetite as well, because cinnamon helps in natural appetite suppressant. So you can have this drink in place of early morning drink. If you cannot have this, then you can have the ajwain jeera water. And after 15 minutes of this drink, you will be having 5 soaked almonds, 2 walnuts and 1 cashew soaked. Now this basically helps with brain development also. It helps to suppress the quick hunger cravings also, and great for heart health also. So consume this 15 minutes post your early morning drink. And now let's proceed towards our tasty and yummy breakfast options for winter season. Winter season brings a lot of chillness in the air, so we definitely want to have something warming in the breakfast as well. So first option is to have my personal favorite high protein sandwich. All I've done here is, all you have to do is take some vegetables available in your kitchen. So I'm adding here cucumber, tomato, bell peppers. You can add anything of your own choice. Along with that, you just have to season the paneer and use some olive oil to cook it well, as I am doing here. Chop it well. Once properly grilled, add it to your batter and then just simply add mozzarella cheese. Yes, mozzarella cheese you can definitely add, but not too much in portion. You can have good amount of good fats with this cheese. So you can add this black pepper powder, some salt, and you're good to go to have your tasty and super delicious sandwich. High in protein and great for fat loss. So do try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Along with this, you can have a cup of green tea, peppermint tea, black coffee. If you feel like something having warm along with it, and you're good to go to have your high protein sandwich with this breakfast recipe. Second option is, if you cannot have this, then the best option for you would be to consume beetroot poha. The complete recipe is shared on my channel, which requires very minimal ingredients, but trust me, is super yummy and super convenient to prepare as well. Hardly requires 5 minutes to prepare this recipe if the ingredients are all ready with you. And beetroot added to this season in your recipes really helps with collagen boosting properties as well. So do try out to add these options for your breakfast. And now third option is for all of those who cannot have this and that. They want a glowing skin benefits this winter season, which is very much possible with this diet plan, and I'll be suggesting you to have my collagen boosting smoothie. The recipe is shared all on my channel. It's a juice basically taken out of all the readily available vegetables available in this season, which is basically the following, as you can see it here. Try to juice it out properly and you're good to go to have your collagen smoothie. Do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack option for this diet plan. Mid-morning snack basically comes between breakfast and lunch time. So if you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option to either consume green tea or some nuts soaked as prior, or you can simply have a seed mix also, a trail mix, so which is basically made of these ingredients, and you're good to go to have your mid-morning snack. In place of this, if you cannot have green tea, then you can always switch to having my personal favorite and loved by all of my clients. If you want to have something vitamin C rich, you can have 2 tangerines or 2 oranges available very readily in this season, and you're good to go to have your vitamin C boost as well to boost your skin benefits. And now we will proceed towards our lunch options for this diet plan. Winter season brings lots and lots of healthy greens in your vegetables. So definitely we'll be adding as much as possible. Now winter season brings again saag and makki ki roti. Now if you do like having it, you can definitely have it in your diet plan, but we'll have it in a very healthy manner. All you have to do is you can have approximately 2 makki ki roti. They're gluten-free in nature and trust me, it's great for weight loss also. You can definitely have makki ki roti and sarson ka saag, but make sure to add just 1 teaspoon of ghee to your saag and no butter to it. And you're good to go to have your tasty and healthy meal. Pair it up with lots and lots of salad. Now basically with every meal, the meals that you give, if salad is induced to it, trust me, you will not spike your blood sugar levels. So do try out to induce as much as possible the fiber intake in your meals. And you're good to go to have your tasty winter specific recipes as well. Second option is if you cannot have this and you're a rice lover and want to have rice during this season as well, so you can definitely have rice. Now what I love to give my clients during this season is my personal favorite paneer biryani. Complete recipe is shared on my channel, which is high in protein and does not require much time to prepare as well. So you can have the complete recipes shared over here, and trust me, the recipe is super easy as well. High in protein, high in fiber intake, pair it up with lots and lots of salad and curd for probiotics, and you're good to go to have your lunch options. And the third option is for all the roti lovers out there. Whoever wants to have roti during this season and can definitely have my personal favorite missi roti. Great for winter season, and trust me, it requires very minimal ingredients as well. Now methi, that is fenugreeks, are very readily available during this season, so you should add as much as methi possible in your diet. Fresh methi during this season helps with bloating, reduction of indigestion, and definitely helps with constipation levels as well. So do try out to have methi. Now my missi roti recipe includes methi in it as well, dhania in it as well, the freshly ingredients as well. So do try out and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. Pair it up with lots and lots of salad, with any sabzi of your own choice. You can even have the aloo methi sabzi with normal bajra roti or gehun ki roti or normal ragi roti as well for this diet plan, and have it along with lots of curd and salad again. And you're good to go to have your balanced nutrition meal during this season as well for weight loss. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option, which comes between our lunch and dinner time. So if you do feel hunger pangs during this time, the best option for you would be, if you're a tea or coffee lover, do not quit your tea or coffee. Have 1 cup of tea or coffee with milk, but no sugar to it at all of any kind. And trust me, you're good to go to have your mid-evening snack during this time, along with 30 grams of roasted makhana. Just simply saute makhana in some olive oil or some ghee and black pepper powder, no salt to it of any kind. Or if you do feel having sugar cravings during this time, so you can even have 1 piece of stevia dark chocolate, or you can have 1 date as well. Now this whole pairs up with a great combination of good amount of antioxidants, good amount of weight loss substances, and makhana as well helps you with vitamin K, E and calcium. So do try out to have these options for your mid-evening snack. If you do not want to have tea or coffee, then you can always replace it with green tea, peppermint tea, chamomile tea as per your own choice, and you're good to go to have your mid-evening snack. And now let's proceed towards our dinner options. Dinner, I'll be giving you, of course, weight loss oriented. If you want to lose 10 kgs in 30 days, this soup recipe is your good to go. My clients have seen tremendous weight loss happening with this soup recipe, and trust me, it's very easy to prepare as well. So basically in a pressure cooker, I'm adding here some blanched spinach, chopped tomatoes, onions, few pieces of fresh pumpkin. To this, I'll be also adding a little bit of moong dal. You can skip it also, you can add as per your own choice. You can even replace it with lal masoor dal as well. Simply adding some salt and some black pepper powder, dhania, which is fresh coriander, whistling it up for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, and your delicious healthy weight loss soup is ready. You can strain the soup, you can just simply blend the soup as per your own choice, but fiber intake is very mandatory with this soup. You'll be shocked to see the results, and trust me, it's very healthy in every nature possible. My clients have seen tremendous weight loss happening with this soup recipe every single day, and so can you. Second option is for all of those who cannot have this soup because of any reason. So my personal favorite option for you would be to have a paneer stir fry. Yes, I grill lots and lots of vegetables during this season because it's readily available. You can use carrots, bell peppers, capsicum, mushroom, onion, tomato, whatever is available at your place for vegetables, and just simply saute paneer as well in the same pan. I'm using a grilling pan here. You can use an air fryer as well as per your own choice. Along with that, just season it with some black pepper powder, pinch of salt, not too much, and then over this, I like to add Greek yogurt. Why? Because it really gives me good amount of protein levels as well, works as a dressing, and trust me, it's super delicious as well in every manner possible. So do try out these recipes and let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this. And now we'll proceed towards a bedtime drink option which comes post our dinner. This meal is very important for you because it can break or make your entire weight loss. So do try out to have this drink post your dinner every single day. You can either have 1 cup of fresh tea, chamomile tea. It really helps with your stress levels of the entire day, works great for weight loss, and trust me, immunity booster as well. So do try out to have these options for your bedtime drink. Or second option is you can always replace and have cup of turmeric tea with added 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to it. Now this basically helps you reverse your thyroid levels. This works amazingly well for all of my clients also, and trust me, people suffering from constipation also have seen a good relief out of it. It's anti-inflammatory in nature and works amazing for thyroid levels also. So do try out to have these options for your bedtime drink. Along with this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail during entire of this diet plan, to detoxify your body, to remove all the bad toxins also, and to give you good amount of hydration also. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, which is 6284306522, or click on the link directly given in the description box to reach to me on WhatsApp directly, and I'll be more than happy to help you in your personalized diet plans for weight loss. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to assist you in your weight loss journey. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More, and to watch now all my videos in Tamil language, you can always subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More Tamil as well. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.